guys, and welcome to another tutorial from Master Android. Today we'll talk about Android emulator, genymotion. There are two emulators option in Android, genymotion and Intel HAXM. We see in the previous video about Intel HAXM. Today we'll show you how to the right manner to set up genymotion. It is better than the Android Studio emulator. First, we will go to install the plugin for the emulator. Then we will go to download the emulator and install Java JDK and install the required VirtualBox program. So we will see all these steps in this tutorial. So don't miss to subscribe and make us going further to make new tutorials. So the definition of genymotion is a cloud-based Android virtual devices to boost your test automation or run your app in your website or another environment. So now, as an overview for the setup steps, download plugin from Android Studio repository. Download genymotion free after registration in the website, and download and install VirtualBox. And you will also don't miss also the Java JDK. Log in with your account and create your device after running VirtualBox. So till now, I highly recommend using genymotion. So let's start downloading the plugin and installing genymotion. Go to project setup, project settings, then go to plugins, search for genymotion. It will not appear in the first. Now go to search in repositories and install the plugin. Restart Android Studio and click apply, and then restart Android Studio. After installation, after restarting, you will see this plugin is installed. Click on toolbar, view it. The plugin will appear. So till now we are going good. Let's go to genymotion website and download the jar file. The jar file is the extension of Java JDK and environment. So in order to open this file, we need to install Java JDK. Now go to google.com, download Java JDK, click on the website and click download Oracle JDK. Here you need to accept the license and click and install the required and the extension .exe or .zip. So till now I need to install .exe and download .exe. Also the zip file is available, so I will download zip also. I will open now zip. I will show you the files inside the JDK. These files will installed in your computer to run the JDK. Now I will install the exe to show you how to make and install Java JDK in your computer. Till now we are going good. Okay, let's install this file. Okay, click next and install the SE in the development kit 11.0.1. I choose the 64 bit because my computer is 64. And this is the documentation. Now let's go and open the jar file that we downloaded early in this video. Now click open. Now let's create the genymotion account. Go to genymotion.com, select desktop and select trial. So we need to make an account. I have about two or three genymotion accounts. I will create now an account for showing you how to make it. Enter your credentials. Enter email. And your password. Select your country. Now validate your email. So now download genymotion for personal use. Click on it and download genymotion personal edition. Select your Windows or with VirtualBox. Install it. I highly recommend using VirtualBox. If you have installed VirtualBox on your computer, download it without VirtualBox. Now click open. It will automatically download the VirtualBox and the genymotion. Okay, after finishing the installation, Microsoft Visual C++ also will be installed. Don't worry, these are files for VirtualBox. Click yes and install. You can also use VirtualBox, this VM virtual machine, to run other operating systems like Linux, like Macintosh, and other Windows version like XP, Windows 7, Windows 10, and other operating systems. Till now, I will launch genymotion. Launch genymotion. Okay. Now let's choose personal use and click on I have read the terms, and let's create a virtual device. Sign in to access available virtual devices. Let's sign in. Use your credentials that we have had made the account throughout the video. Click sign in. Oops. Oh, okay. Now there is some network errors. I'm maybe I have forgotten the password. Okay, I logged in. Now I create a virtual device. I prefer making and choosing Google Nexus 6P with Android 8, which is good. And click and wait for downloading the files. It is about 350 megabytes. You are seeing them. So now that the genymotion installed and downloaded the virtual device, now it is deploying the virtual device. Deploying means that you are the required files for the device is installed and being prepared for launching the virtual device and the Android system installed on it. Click finish, and let's go to click start. Click start. It may took some time for first time launching, starting the virtual device, but don't worry. Don't worry. We may experience the error unable to start the virtual device. Okay, don't worry. Just go to VirtualBox, click on Show on the Run the Virtual Box, and click the virtual box or the virtual device, and click Start again. You see Google Nexus settings and change to Microsoft Windows and Windows 10 64-bit. These are the most common errors that every person install genymotion will face them. So in this video I am showing you how to remove these errors. First, open VirtualBox, select the settings, the correct settings, let your computer and let your virtual box install the required and acquired files, then click start the device from genymotion console. Let's start the device. Okay, the device is starting, and it may took some time to display the Android interface and the app. So let's first initialize it, launching it. Okay, alright, it's working fine. So let's run our demo app. I made an app displaying some text to show them on the or test the genymotion emulator. Choose the genymotion when clicking run in Android Studio. Make sure you choose genymotion device. Wait for the app to be installed. It may take some time. Okay, let's see. And congratulations, the app is working fine. Don't miss to subscribe and keep us making tutorials.